Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today we're going to plan out the month of April. I have a kit from Sara Marie Stickers, kit 230. I already did put the date dots down, but it's this pretty purple color. It's got some yellow flowers in it. Purple is my favorite color, so I figured we'd go ahead and do that. And then I got the second sheet, which has the sidebar, the extra spaces, some labels, and some washi. So we're going to go ahead and put this down together. Let's go ahead and flip this over. See if I can get this done. April is quickly approaching, so okay. I think I just have to go all the way to this line. I always put this on wrong. But see, I did it again. So hers stickers are removable. I just can't not do it crooked. There we go. Nope. So let's get this down right. There we go. No bubbles. And then we'll put the second half down. So April is going to be quite the busy month for us. We have all the things going. Let's see. So this could go to the end of the page. Yeah. All right, that one went down better. So like I said, we have a lot of things actually going on. Kids are in all the sports. We have gymnastics, track, volleyball, soccer, and softball. So let's put this sidebar sticker down here. I'm just going to put it right in the middle. Probably not straight, but good enough. Just fill up that space, and then we'll put these little extra boxes here for the extra days. These are really cute. So put that down there. I didn't get a plan with me up last week because I was just, I don't even know, just busy. So I will be doing one soon for this next coming week. There, I still planned it out, I just didn't record it. Sometimes you just got to do it that way. And it was a different shop that I've not used before, so it was kind of nice just kind of figuring everything out. But I have another kit from her next week, so we will be doing that. Okay, so that's kind of the base of the kit. I do have this that I already put down. We have a couple birthdays, my uncle's and my husband's. Volleyball is every day, Monday through Friday, 3:30 to 5:30, and then track is the same thing, 3:30 to 5. So instead of putting labels on all the days, I just put that over here. And then my daughter's gymnastics is every Monday and Wednesday from 4 to 7. And then this is my dance schedule. So instead of putting dance stickers in there, I just kind of did that. So really, I just need to put in that we have a volleyball game on the 10th. That's at 6. So that'll be his first volleyball. They just started high school volleyball for men's. This is their first year that it's like a thing. So my oldest son went ahead and did that. So he's pretty excited. So that'll be his first game. And then we have softball on the 17th. This is just a practice. So she'll have softball practices Thursdays and Saturdays, but some of them we can't go to because of other things. So we just have 3 practices that we're going to be able to go to this month, which hopefully that's okay. But if not, oh well. So, and then we have one on the 26th here. And then on the 28th, make sure we're still in frame here. One on the 28th. And then his other volleyball game is on the 24th. So she will miss that practice as well because games are a little bit more important than practice. And then my middle son's first track meet is on the 23rd. So I actually took PTO all day for that, and I just messaged my work, and I'm like, I'm an idiot. I said I can work till 2. His thing's not till 3:30, so. And then she has her gymnastic meets on the 12th, and I think they're at 9, but I didn't write a time in, and then the 19th. So we're going to go to that, and then we're actually going to drive to Illinois, I think it's in Illinois, and stay the night at a hotel, and then go to Medieval Times. I've always wanted to go, which it is on Easter, but that's what we decided to do since we're going to be up that way anyways. I will still put Easter here, but we're not going to be celebrating Easter on that day. And then I don't think I'm going to put any of these other holidays off, or holidays or days off. I don't think so. I think I like it like that. So the only other thing that I want to put in is my work schedule. Now usually I use these here, but I think the blue's kind of a little much. So I'm just going to use this work script from Sara Marie and just put them on the days that I work. That way I know, you know, where I gotta be. So I'm just gonna put it in that upper left hand corner. So I'll work on the 4th, the 8th. I could put these on labels, but I'm not too concerned about it. Here, and then off those 2 days. So I took off this day for her gymnastics. So the 13th and 14th. And then I will work on the 18th. Then the 22nd. And like I said, I did put in for a full 12 hours of PTO that day, but I'm probably going to end up working at least 6 to 2, or if not 6 to 10, just to help with get-ups and stuff. And then I took another vacation, or another PTO day this day. So I'm not working a whole lot this month, which is nice, but still get paid for it, so that's always good. And then I will just be late to my daughter's game, but it's right down the road, so it's not that big of a deal. That's it for this plan with me. There's not a lot. Like I said, we do have a lot going on, but I don't want to like overcrowd this. So I think that's fine. The only other thing that we have is starting on the 7th, we have soccer. That's for my middle son, and he'll have a practice during the week, and then usually games are on Saturdays, but they usually have a month of practices first, so probably in May is when you'll be seeing like more games and practices. But once we get that, I'll have to move those up a little bit, and I do have a little soccer ball icon. I can put that here, or I'll just put them in. It's not really a big deal. But that is it for this. Kids are still on spring break, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So I guess I could do like no schools there. Maybe I will real quick. I think I have some no school scripts somewhere in here. Work, no school. We'll go ahead and do that. So let me get some of the labels. So we'll need 4 of them. We'll use these purple ones, because like I said, they still are on spring break, which we will be doing lots of cleaning this first week of April because I am home 3 of the days. So lots of spring cleaning. I need to get my closet, or not my closet, my garage organized. It's a whole mess. So we have no school there. These scripts are from Simply Smith Stickers. And no school. And no school. So yeah, like I said, this kit is from Sara Marie Stickers. Her shop is on Etsy. It is kit 230, and I'm pretty sure you get both sheets. I would assume. Maybe not. Maybe just get one. You can also, like, with this, I could have just put a strip across there and then put no school across, but since I had the labels, that's fine. But like I said, that is how this month is looking. It doesn't look too packed, but with everything that we have going on, it's kind of crazy. And my husband said, "Why do we put them in so much stuff?" I said, "Well, because they like it." We'll figure it out for them and it'll be fine. But I will put soccer in once we get that schedule on the 7th. Like I said, it's usually just 1 day a week and then a game on Saturday. So we will go from there. But that is how this month is turning out. I really like the kit. It's got all the purple vibes. I did my nails purple. But I think it'll work out. And if anything does happen to come up, I will post pictures on my Instagram. I hope you guys follow me over there too. Next week, like I said, the next video that's coming up, we will be doing March 31st through April 6th. And this is the kit that I'm using, so be on the lookout for that. But I hope you guys have a great month, busy month. Hopefully it gets warmer where you guys are at, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.